How can an investor be safe while transferring wealth to legal heir? We have our financial experts Mr. Srinivasa Vardhan and Mr. Ramalingam to elaborate more on this.
Passing on our investments or wealth to the next generation. First thing, make the next generation participate in your wealth. Many times people don't know. Like I have in my last 21 years of exploring investments, I have seen close to 100 transmission cases. Means a person who had investments expired and the units are transmitted to the next legal hire, right? I have seen like close to 100 cases. Out of that, 95% is the husband who is expiring and the units are transferred to the woman of the house, that is the spouse, wife. But wife so far not worried about these investments because husband is taking care. Before going to wealth, there is something called an information vault which we have created. One such tool is information vault, where you will be listing all your existing investments and password protect it and share it to your family members. So if you have bank account, 5 bank accounts, list down everything. If you have like 10 mutual fund schemes, list down everything. You have a demat account, list down. Where is it? To whom to approach? Which company? Who's the contact person? So like this, you list down all your things, whether the nominee is there or not. List down and give it to them. In 95% of the cases, if this record is clear, then it will be easy for someone to transmit and share it to the legal hire. Because 95% of the cases, passing it on to the legal hires, there is no challenge as such. If they know how to create wealth, how to manage wealth, then there is no challenge as such. And if they know where is the wealth, then there is no challenge as such. Only in the 5% of the cases, creating will is something very much important.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.